Istanbul. A city that stands as a testament to the passage of time, where the ancient and the modern coexist in a harmonious blend. A city of captivating contradictions. Here, the old and the new are not just neighbors but partners in a dance that has been choreographed over centuries. A place where East meets West, not in a clash, but in a vibrant embrace. The Bosphorus Bridge stands as a symbol of this union, connecting two continents and countless cultures. Ancient history whispers from every corner. The stones of the city have stories to tell, tales of empires that rose and fell, of sultans and conquerors. The echoes of empires resonate through its streets. Walking through Istanbul is like traversing a living museum, where every turn reveals a new chapter of history. Yet modernity thrives here too. Skyscrapers pierce the sky and bustling shopping districts hum with the energy of commerce and innovation. It pulsates with a youthful energy. The city's youth bring a fresh vibrancy, filling cafes, parks and nightclubs with laughter and life. This is a city that never sleeps, its heart beating to a rhythm all its own. As the sun sets, the city transforms, its streets illuminated by 1,000 lights, each telling its own story. The Golden Horn slices through Istanbul, dividing yet connecting. This waterway is more than just a geographical feature, it's a lifeline that has nourished the city for centuries. On one side lies the historic Sultanahmet, crowned with the majestic domes of the Hagia Sophia. This area is a treasure trove of history, where every building has a story to tell. On the other, Beyoğlu bustles with life, a modern metropolis with a bohemian soul. Here, the past and the present coexist in a dynamic blend of tradition and modernity. From the moment you arrive, you're swept up in a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and smells. The Grand Bazaar, with its labyrinthine alleys and vibrant stalls, is a sensory feast. It's a sensory overload that both exhilarates and enchants. The colors, the aromas, the cacophony of voices, all combine to create an experience that is uniquely Istanbul. Istanbul isn't just a city you visit, it's an experience you feel. It's in the interactions with its people, in the shared smiles and the stories exchanged. You feel it in the warmth of the Turkish tea offered with a smile. This simple gesture embodies the hospitality and warmth of the city's inhabitants. You feel it in the call to prayer that echoes across the rooftops. This ancient ritual, performed 5 times a day, is a reminder of the city's deep spiritual roots, and you feel it in the vibrant energy that thrums beneath your feet. The city's streets are alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life, a testament to its enduring vitality. This is Istanbul, a city that seduces the senses and captures the soul. Its skyline, dotted with minarets and modern buildings, is a visual representation of its unique character. Come, lose yourself in its enchanting embrace. Let Istanbul's magic weave its spell around you, and discover a city that is as timeless as it is contemporary. Istanbul is a city built on layers of history, from the ancient Byzantium to the thriving Constantinople and now the vibrant Istanbul. This city has been a witness to the rise and fall of empires. Each era has left its indelible mark, creating a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. Each stone, each mosque, each cobbled street whispers tales of empires past. As you walk through these streets, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient footsteps, the murmur of traders, and the prayers of the devout. The very ground beneath your feet is steeped in history, waiting to be discovered. Stand in the shadow of the Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. This magnificent structure, with its soaring domes and intricate mosaics, has stood the test of time. It has witnessed the grandeur of the Byzantine Empire, the splendor of the Ottoman Empire, and now serves as a museum, welcoming visitors from around the world. Once a church, later a mosque, now a museum, it stands as a testament to the city's ever-evolving identity. The Hagia Sophia is not just a building, it is a symbol of resilience and adaptation, reflecting the city's ability to embrace change while honoring its past. Nearby, the Blue Mosque enchants with its cascading domes and intricate blue Iznik tiles. This architectural marvel, with its harmonious blend of beauty and spirituality, continues to inspire awe. The mosque's serene courtyards and majestic interiors offer a tranquil escape from the bustling city outside. Its 6 minarets pierce the sky, a symbol of Ottoman grandeur. As the call to prayer echoes through the air, one can feel the deep spiritual connection that has been nurtured here for centuries. The Blue Mosque is not just a place of worship, it is a living testament to the artistic and cultural achievements of the Ottoman Empire. The Hippodrome, once the heart of Constantinople, still bears witness to chariot races of old. Imagine the roar of the crowd, the thunder of hooves, and the thrill of competition that once filled this ancient arena. Today, the remnants of the hippodrome stand as silent sentinels, preserving the memories of a bygone era. The Grand Bazaar, a labyrinthine world unto itself, is a riot of colors, scents, and sounds. This bustling marketplace has been the commercial heart of Istanbul for centuries, drawing traders and shoppers from all corners of the globe. Each stall, each alleyway tells a story of commerce and culture. For centuries, merchants have hawked their wares here, from exotic spices to intricate textiles, from gleaming jewelry to handcrafted souvenirs. The Grand Bazaar offers a treasure trove of delights. The art of bargaining is alive and well here, adding to the vibrant atmosphere. Spices perfume the air, carpets glow with rich hues, and the sound of bargaining fills the air. The sensory overload is both exhilarating and overwhelming, capturing the essence of Istanbul's dynamic spirit. Every visit to the Grand Bazaar is a new adventure, a journey through time and culture. It's a sensory overload that encapsulates the spirit of old Istanbul. The sights, sounds, and smells of the Grand Bazaar transport you to a different era, where trade and tradition intertwine. It is a place where the past and present coexist, offering a glimpse into the soul of the city. These iconic landmarks are just the beginning. Istanbul is a city of contrasts, where ancient history meets modernity, and where every corner has a story to tell. From the bustling streets to the serene waters of the Bosphorus, there is always something new to discover. Istanbul's true magic lies in uncovering its hidden corners. Venture off the beaten path, and you will find charming neighborhoods, hidden courtyards, and lesser-known historical sites. These hidden gems offer a more intimate glimpse into the city's rich heritage and vibrant culture. It's in these hidden gems that the city's soul truly reveals itself. Whether it's a quiet cafe tucked away in a narrow alley, a bustling market filled with local artisans, or a tranquil courtyard where time seems to stand still, these places capture the essence of Istanbul. They are the heart and soul of a city that has been shaped by centuries of history and continues to evolve, embracing the future while honoring its past. Beyond the grandeur of Istanbul's iconic landmarks lie hidden treasures. These secret corners offer a glimpse into the city's soul. Kukurkuma, a haven for antique lovers, is a treasure trove of Ottoman-era furniture, vintage clothing, and forgotten trinkets. Stroll down its narrow streets and discover hidden courtyards. Peek into dusty shops overflowing with forgotten treasures. You might just stumble upon a piece of the past to call your own. Across the Golden Horn, Karakoy, once a bustling port district, is now a hub for art and gastronomy. Hipster cafes rub shoulders with traditional coffee houses. Art galleries showcase cutting-edge contemporary work. Indulge in a Turkish breakfast feast at a local cafe. Sample Turkish delights at a family-run confectionery. Let the creative energy of Karakoy wash over you. In these hidden corners, Istanbul reveals its modern bohemian heart. The Bosphorus Strait is more than just a waterway, it's the lifeblood of Istanbul. It divides the city, separating Europe from Asia. Yet, it also unites, carrying people, goods, and dreams on its currents. Watch as ferries crisscross its waters, connecting the two continents. See fishing boats bobbing on the waves, their nets full of the day's catch. Gaze out at the magnificent mansions that line its shores, a testament to Istanbul's opulent past. Take a ferry ride from Eminönü to Kadıköy. Feel the wind in your hair and the sun on your face as the city unfolds before you. Listen to the cries of seagulls and the gentle lapping of the waves. The Bosphorus is the soul of Istanbul. It's where the city breathes, where its energy flows. To truly understand Istanbul, you must experience its lifeblood. Even in the heart of this bustling metropolis, nature offers moments of respite. Emirgan Park, a verdant oasis on the European side, is renowned for its tulip displays in spring. Stroll through its manicured gardens, breathe in the scent of pine and cypress, and find peace amidst the chaos of the city. Take a ferry to the Prince's Islands in the Sea of Marmara. These car-free islands offer a glimpse into a slower pace of life. Rent a bicycle and explore their pine-clad hills. Dine on fresh seafood by the water's edge. These urban escapes offer a chance to reconnect with nature without ever leaving the city. They are a reminder that even in the concrete jungle, beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. Istanbul's heart beats to a rhythm all its own. The city is a living, breathing entity pulsating with life and energy at every corner. From the moment you step into its streets, you are enveloped by a symphony of sounds, sights, and smells that are uniquely Istanbul. It's a city that never sleeps, a place where tradition and modernity collide in a vibrant symphony. As the sun sets, the city transforms, with its modern skyline lighting up against the backdrop of historic buildings. The streets are alive with people, each contributing to the city's dynamic atmosphere. Experience the energy of a Turkish coffee fortune-telling session. This age-old tradition is more than just a way to enjoy a cup of coffee. It's a social ritual that brings people together, offering a glimpse into the future through the patterns in the coffee grounds. Listen to the rhythmic beat of Turkish music in a traditional meyhane. These lively establishments are the heart of Turkish nightlife, where music, dance, and camaraderie come together to create unforgettable evenings. The melodies of traditional instruments fill the air, inviting everyone to join in the celebration. Explore the vibrant street art scene in the backstreets of Beyoğlu. This neighborhood is a canvas for artists, where walls come alive with colorful murals and graffiti that tell stories of the city's past and present. Each piece of art is a testament to the creativity and resilience of Istanbul's residents. Admire the intricate murals that adorn the city's walls. These works of art are not just decorations, they are expressions of identity, culture, and social commentary. Each mural is a window into the soul of the city, reflecting its diverse and dynamic character. These works of art, often imbued with social commentary, offer a glimpse into the soul of Istanbul's youth. The younger generation uses street art as a medium to voice their thoughts, dreams, and concerns, adding a layer of depth to the city's cultural landscape. Attend a traditional Turkish shadow play, Karagöz and Hasivat. This form of entertainment, with its roots in the Ottoman era, is a blend of humor, satire, and cultural reflection. The puppets come to life, telling stories that have been passed down through generations. These satirical performances, dating back to the Ottoman era, are a humorous reflection of Turkish culture. They offer a unique perspective on societal norms and values, using wit and humor to engage and entertain audiences of all ages. From ancient traditions to modern expressions, Istanbul's cultural tapestry is rich and diverse. The city is a melting pot of influences, where every corner offers a new experience. From traditional dance performances to cutting-edge art exhibitions, let the rhythm of the city move you and discover the soul of Istanbul through its art, music, and performances. Whether it's the sound of a street musician playing a familiar tune or the sight of a spontaneous dance performance, Istanbul's vibrant culture is always on display, inviting you to be a part of its never-ending story.